Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A fleeting thought. I've just had a thought that one of the messages that I've seen has struck and ignited my thinking to start flowing. Anyone can love you while the sun is shining, while you are in your prosperity, while you are in the best condition. Now, if you really want to know the mettle of the people, it's the time of hardships. When you go through hardships, when you go through ordeals and calamities, and this is a time when you really discover and find out who the true mettle of the person is. It is within these stormy times, when you start learning the true people, the true mettle of the people who really care about you, who really may extend or go the extra mile to really be with you and help you and be close to you, to solace you or to provide you with solace. No matter what your physical appearance is, when you have kindness in your heart, you're the most beautiful in the world. Talking about those people who will stand with you, no matter what their physical appearances are. When they have kindness in their hearts, they are the most beautiful people in the world. They stand with you in your time of hardships, in your time or your tough times. You know, life is roller coaster, goes up and down, and you need to be around people who can be with you when you are up and when you are down. People who really understand what morality is all about, what friendship is all about, most importantly, what brotherhood is all about. Through this life, or throughout this life, you will meet one person who is unlike any other. This person is one you could forever talk to, that you can trust him more. You can vent out to him or to her. This person will be your confidante, where you confide your worries, your concerns, your tribulations to. They understand you in a way that no one else does or even could. This person is your soulmate, your best brother, your best friend, your intimate friend. To those who are listening to me, those who are very close to my heart, to them I would say I'm very proud that you are one of my best, you're my best friends that I have ever found. I'm very proud of all of you who are very close to me, my dearest brothers who have been with me in my tough times and good times. May Allah unite all of us in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. And take care, everybody, please. And take care, everybody, please. And make sure you share and care. That's the characteristic of a noble Muslim who really cares and shares. Salam. Peace.